Good morning, guys. Today we are going to continue talking about our illustrations. So just a little bit of a reminder, our illustrations of our stories are the pictures of our stories, and they give us clues about our characters, our setting, and our events of our story. So about who's in our story, where our story takes place, or our setting, and the events of our story, or what happens in our stories. So you guys are going to get out Yip Yap again, and we're going to use that for today's reading lesson. So we have been talking a lot about characters, setting, and events. And today we're going to really focus on the setting of Yip Yap. The setting of our story is where and when, so the time and the place that the story takes place. That is our setting. And stories can have one setting or they can have different settings, depending on if the characters are moving around throughout the story. So today, you guys are going to read chapter 3, or the ending chapter of Yip Yap, because you guys have already read chapter 1, the beginning, chapter 2, the middle, and now you're going to read chapter 3, the end. And on each page, we're going to use the illustrations to figure out where the setting is. So you're going to make a table that looks kind of just like this. And for each page in chapter 3, there are 4 pages. For each page, you're going to use the illustrations to figure out what the setting is by using the illustrations. So in this column, you have the page number. In this column, it says, I see. And that just means you're going to look at the illustrations and you're going to tell me what you see there. What clues do you see that's helping you figure out the setting? And then over here, you're going to finish the sentence. The setting is. And you're going to tell me where the illustrations told you where the setting was. And so I want you to answer the questions. Where are Zip and Zap now, and how do you know? So on page 12, I remember I looked at the illustration, and I saw the dog swimming, and I saw flowers over here, and I saw water. And so I thought, where could the dogs be? Where are Zip and Zap? And then I realized that they're not at a swimming pool because they're kind of outside, and I see dirt, and I see flowers. But what's kind of like a swimming pool? A pond. Yeah, they're at a little outside pond. So it's like a swimming pool, but it's surrounded by dirt and not concrete. So I used the illustrations to help me figure out where the setting was. And you guys are going to do that with page 13, page 14, and page 15. So we're going to be writing down what we see in the illustrations and then naming what our setting is using what we saw in the pictures. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day.